Hi, I'm Wyoming Congressman Cynthia Lummis. Welcome to the great state of Wyoming and one of our fabulous National Park Service properties. Whether you're visiting Grand Teton National Park, the nation's first national park, Yellowstone National Park, or the nation's first national monument here in Wyoming, Devil's Tower, you're going to enjoy this 100th anniversary of the National Park Service. I encourage you to find your park in your state, somewhere near you that you can enjoy with your family or take visitors from all over the world to enjoy. This 100th anniversary of the National Park Service also gives us an opportunity to revisit and reacquaint ourselves with our National Park Service properties through Find Your Park. So go to #FindYourPark on Instagram or Twitter and enjoy the great outdoors this summer. And one more thing, National Park Service, this is your birthday song. It doesn't last too long. Hey!